Hi, Keanu. Yes, I picked up the Men's Health a few years ago only because Keanu was on the cover and I was like, hi, how are you? I just picked up my level 2 Mecca beauty loop, and this is a beauty loop that comes around, I think 4 times a year or every 3 months. Yeah. Or is it every 4 months? I can't really remember right now. And yeah, so I just picked this up now and I haven't even seen what's inside it. I think I had something like $238 or $164 to go before I reached the level 3 beauty loop bag. It does go all the way up to a level 4. But yeah, so I'm really proud of myself because it just goes to show that I haven't been spending as much money on products, and I am trying to be a little bit more mindful on the products that I purchase these days. So level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, this is level 2. And I remember in my last video I was saying that, you know, with the beauty loops, level 3's been kind of getting a bit crap lately. Like I remember kind of being like, oh, I just want to go back to level 2, and I'm level 2 with products. Level 2 products were so much more better. I even remember level 1 products being so awesome. Less skincare kind of stuff, more makeup, which is what I really want. Skincare is really not that suitable for every skin type. So yeah, you kind of like lose out a little bit. Let's get into the unboxing of this beauty loop bag. So it's in a beautiful kind of periwinkle blue box, and it's got a beautiful sort of art design on it here, which is sort of like a picture of a happy sun. I'll just turn it around. Isn't it gorgeous? Whoever the artist is, well done. I mean, it's a beautiful packaged box. So yeah, and it is 100% recyclable as well, which is fantastic. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is the summer edition. Okay, and I'm not going to look inside it. I'm just going to sort of like, well, I'll show you guys. Okay, there's a card. Hold on. There's a card. Let's see what it says. Neither can we. To help you prepare for the sun-soaked days and balmy nights ahead, we've curated some of our favourite summer-ready beauty. And of course, these wouldn't be summer essentials without SPF. So there's SPF in here. Meet Mecca Max's Screensaver SPF 30 Broad Spectrum Facial Sunscreen, which I already have. Sun protection with an invisible matte finish and skin-loving green, perfect for under makeup. Yeah, I've already got this product. Anyway, I have repurchased it many times in the past as well. So here's to a magical summer ahead, brimming with beauty. With love, Mecca Beauty Loop. All right. I'm not going to look. Can you see what's in it? I don't know. All right, let's get into it. First thing I'm going to pluck out. The Super Dose. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. The Corres. This is a microbiome technology, nourish and rebalance. I remember the last beauty boot. I'll start again. Remember the last beauty loop that I got? It was a microbiome product, the one with the probiotic in it. Yep, here we go again. All right, so this is a, what is it? Is it an eye? It's a face mask. Okay, exciting? Not really. Yeah, I don't know. Look how I can't even read the writing. It's so small. Like seriously, I just can't. I'm sure you put it on for what, 10 minutes and take it off? Anyway, I'm sure it's going to be something like that. Who can read this writing? Like honestly, I don't know. But anyway, so there's a probiotic super dose face mask by Corres. Have you tried this? Is it good? Let me know. I don't know. Moving on to the next product. Mecca Max with aloe vera and vitamin E screensaver. Oh, this is the mini version of the SPF 30 product that I've already got. It's a wonderful SPF product. Although I do prefer my Ultra MD SPF 46 UV, tinted or clear, That's my go-to. I've been using the Bondi Sands SPF 50 face unscented screen lately as well, because I know I've only got a little bit of the Ulta MD left and I haven't purchased it, so I'm alternating between those two at the moment. Yeah, but anyway, look, this is a good product. And by the way, I have been sick with a sinus infection, so that's why I sound nasally and congested, so sorry about that. Moving on to the next product. Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Already have this, received it in another sample bag before, but look, am I complaining? No, it's a great mask. It's good for conditioning the hair. I want something that I haven't got. Is it too much to ask, Mecca Max? Look, I guess I'm just in a grumpy mood, right? Look, I'm sorry. Moving on. Let me just talk a little bit about this product. It's fantastic for conditioning the hair. It is great for giving you nice shine, detangling. To be honest, I haven't heard any bad reviews about this product in my time, and I don't really look up reviews about it. I've used it, I've loved it, I've purchased it. I've purchased other forms of this in like a spray, even in the tub version of this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Mask. Yeah, anyway. And if you want to know, I'm wearing a bunny t-shirt, which is the same as the one that's on behind my bed, which also is the bunny that looks like my boy Orlando. So anyway, just thought I'd let you guys know about that. Next product. Is there anything left? I had to look down because I can't feel anything. Okay, there's 2 products left. Very Luxe Face Cream. Okay, so it's the go-to Very Luxe Face Cream, another skincare product. Man, I want to go back to my level 3. I think this is worse. Massage into your face after cleansers, toners and serums, but before SPF for replenished, nourished skin. I sound like a whining person, don't I? What's with all the skincare? Like, I just want like a lipstick, maybe a mini one, maybe a single eyeshadow, maybe a little baby blush, maybe a mascara, maybe a little highlighter. Anyway, the last product, let's see what this is. Okay, Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow AHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. There's nothing else in the bag. Look, was it even worth doing a video on these products? Have you guys used this AHA BHA toner? I don't really use toners that much. I mean, I sometimes do, but the only kind of toner that I use is the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant by Paula's Choice, which I absolutely love because it clears the blackheads, it softens the skin. You can leave it overnight, obviously. You don't have to put anything on top of it. I like the liquid version more than the gel. A little bit disappointed, I have to say, with this Beauty Loop 2 bag. If you guys picked this up, did you get the same products that I did? Let me know in the comments below because I'd be really curious to find out. Oh, look what's staring me in the face here just under my TV cabinet, which is dusty. Hi, Keanu. Yes, I picked up the Men's Health a few years ago only because Keanu was on the cover and I was like, hi, how are you? Isn't he a babe? Love him. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and I am sorry for sounding sick. I hope you guys have all been well. And let me know what you've been up to. I am going to be filming a video soon about decluttering all my mascara because, actually, I'll show you just real quickly. This is the mascara. It's falling all out. This is the mascara tub. It's falling everywhere. But I'm going to be doing a decluttering of all my mascaras and obviously leaving maybe 3 to 5 of my favorite mascaras that I sort of am using on rotation at the moment. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all again next time. Bye for now.